you want to transfer USDT or any coin from Binance to Trust Wallet, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer any coin from Binance to Trust Wallet, which network you have to select and which address you have to copy. So do not miss any part of this video. Otherwise, a single mistake can lead to the loss of your funds. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So I have opened Binance application on my cell phone, from which I will transfer USDT to Trust Wallet. To transfer USDT to Trust Wallet, select Wallet on the bottom of the application, come on the Sport, and here you can find the buttons Deposit, Withdraw and Transfer. So currently we are doing a withdraw from Binance. In the previous video, I have already shown you that how you can deposit USDT. In this video, we will talk about the withdraw. Click on the withdraw. So here you have to search that which coin you want to withdraw. Search, I want to withdraw USDT. Or you can say that I want to transfer USDT. Click on the transfer. So there are two options, send via crypto network and send via email. So send via email, phone and ID is only used for the Binance to Binance transfer. So currently we are transferring from Binance to Trust Wallet. So we have to select send via crypto network. Now here you have to paste the address. After that you have to select the network and withdraw. So let me show you which networks are available on Binance. So here you can see TRC20, BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and there are so many networks are available. I will recommend you to use BEP20 network or TRC20 network. These are most reliable and with lower fee. For the BNB we have to pay 0.19 USDT and for the TRC20 we have to pay $1 fee. So we will choose BEP20 network. Alright, now here we have to paste the USDT address of BEP20 network. So this is the main part of the video. We have to choose the BEP20 network, otherwise maybe you will lose your funds. Now let me open the Trust Wallet application. Now here you have to search USDT. So you will find many USDT here. USDT BNB Smart Chain, USDT Tron, USDT Ethereum. So here we have to select BNB Smart Chain because we have selected the BEP20 network. Click on the USDT. On the top you can see BEP20, USDT BEP20. Now I want to receive the funds. So click on the receive, make sure that you have selected the BEP20 network. Let's back on the Binance application, paste your address here. Now how much USDT you want to transfer? I want to transfer 10 USDT. So on the bottom you can see I have to pay 0.19 fees. That's okay for me. Click on the withdraw. Now here you can see it says ensure the network. So you must have to ensure that you have selected the correct network. After that you have to verify the address, withdrawal amount, withdrawal fees and wallet. Now click on the confirm. Now here you have to complete the security verification. Let me complete security verification. So here you can see withdrawal processing, view history, awaiting approval. It will take couple of minutes to verify your transaction. Till you can subscribe my channel and like this video for more easy tutorials. So whenever your withdrawal will be confirmed, you will get email also. And here you can see the estimated complete time. Completed. It will take almost a minute to complete the transaction. Now let's check our Trust Wallet account, that we have received that amount or not. Let me refresh this. Alright, so here you can see we got 9.81 USDT. So here you can see that we have received our amount in less than a minute. We have successfully transferred from Binance to Trust Wallet. So I hope you got all the points. If you face any problem, you can leave a comment on this video. See you in the next video.